Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening. Why everybody is in dull?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay. Shall I start or I need to wait for some more minutes?
Sir, you can start. It's already 7 minutes.
Fine. Just a second. Okay. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you got your homework document?
Yes, sir. That we have to write in our running notes, na, sir?
Only in running notes, not in main
Okay.
notes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Main notes I am preparing for you.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, but sir, this is the first
Yes.
learning class, right, sir? We haven't started the syllabus before this. This will be the first class.
Who is this? Just a second. Okay. Tell me.
Sir, I
Okay.
was asking that have we covered the syllabus
That
till
portion
now?
is over from the second class itself. Okay. In that also, I have already started from the last class itself. I told you about the democracy, no? If you are in
Sir,
last class,
what?
then you will. The core topic is already started, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I told you, no, about democracy, monarchy rule,
Sir,
republic.
I checked the messages very late, so I couldn't join the class. So I'll cope up, sir. No issues. Thank you.
No need. Do you have your homework with you? It is only just a basics only I told you.
Yes,
So
sir.
don't
I read that. I read.
That is for about democracy. Have you any doubts regarding democracy that I sent you that notes regarding that?
No, sir.
No, Pakka. Have you understood that one? I think this
Sir,
one.
yes, it was a single sheet, sir. I
Yes,
read.
only smaller one only. I
Okay.
think you can see this one. This about 10 points and this bottom 7 points.
Right, sir.
Yeah. Okay. If you have any doubts in that, you can ask. And also, I'm going to tell about this also.
So I
In
don't
last
have
class, we have.
doubts. I don't have
Okay.
doubts as of now, but I will ask as I go through with it.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All of you. No any doubts? Nobody?
No, sir.
See, remember, the classes will be like interactive sessions only. Okay. If you are keep calming and I am telling you everything, it won't be productive. Okay. Whatever it may be, you have to go for the examination, not me. Okay. This is the preparation for you, most probably. Okay. So keep interacting with me. Okay. If even though I am telling you, keep on talking, and if you are just listening, passive type, so it won't be worth much comparatively. Okay, just ask the questions also and you keep interacting with me. as well as one more thing, keep writing whatever if you are feeling important, or if you're feeling that it is very important that I can able to forget in future. So just keep writing in that in the running notes itself. Okay. If you all of you, I think you don't have any doubts now, right?
Sir,
No, sir.
yes. Excuse
Okay,
me,
then
sir.
I will ask you questions. I have the doubt. Yes, tell me.
Sir, oh, what should we do in this homework, sir? Should we write these points?
Yes, you should have to write these points in running notes. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Daily I will send you some these type of 10 to 15 points. Likewise, yesterday actually I made some more, but okay, fine. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I think you people don't have any doubts. Huh? Now I have doubts. Let me clarify. Okay, let you clarify. Okay. Democracy is a form of government. That means, can anybody?
Sir, of federal government.
Federal government. Is there any other governments? That means democracy means not only federal. Okay, it's
Sir,
a different part.
yes. It's an elective kind of a government.
Okay, elected by whom?
By the people.
By the people. Okay. So that means this is only democracy is only one type of government. That means we have a other types of governments now.
Yes, sir. Right.
So in running notes, you have to keep writing. That is, we have a different forms of governments, and also we have a different forms of constitutions. Okay. In that,
Yes.
we will discuss everything one by one. Don't worry. Okay. We have a democratic. Okay. We have a democratic politics. That means democratic government. Democratic. Democratic means the leaders or the rulers are elected by the people, right? Is it or
Yes.
not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, in a country like India or other countries also you can take it. Okay. How many rulers can be elected? What is the
Sir,
number?
just one, sir.
One,
Uh,
sir, one.
Even
Only
in
one?
monarchy and democracy, sir, all kinds of government, there is only one single ruler or press,
If
which whole other.
people are, if yes, I'm telling that one. If people are electing only one particular party, we have political parties now, then they have to go for elections and then they are electing, right? Okay, if they are electing only single person or single party, then it will be called as monarchy. Okay, monarchical government. Okay, monarchical type, some
Yes,
extent, or you have a, I will elaborate this one. Okay, in democracy, it is some extent one part is known as monarchical type. I will tell you about this. If you are having multi parties, that means we have a lot of parties na in national level. Okay, NDA government is BJP party is there, Congress is there. Like us, there are a lot of political parties are there. That means a lot of people are participating in the elections to gain the or to win the trust of the people. That means this type of government is known as what? Anybody?
Republic, sir.
This one is also republic, na? This
Violation.
one also, even the single party, okay, even though it is single party, but they are also participating in elections to become a ruler. Okay, there is no next ruler is coming by hierarchy. Okay, that next ruler also, after some time of expiry of the first ruler, second leader also should come with the elections only. Okay, that is known as
Sir,
republic,
federalism.
obviously. Federalism, you know, something called parliamentary. That means too many people, na? Too many people are participating in elections, na?
Yes,
That
sir.
too many people are winning in the elections. In India also we have a Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha. These both combiningly making the laws, na? Simply
Yes.
or not. Parliamentary form is one type of, that is group of leaders will be there. In monarchical type, only one leader will be there. Okay, he will select the all legislators, executives as well as judicial. But in this, we have a group of people coming together. Okay, they are making some sessions. Okay, there is something called quorum type sessions. Okay, they are coming and gathering at a institution called as parliament. Okay, or school simply. Okay, all the students will come together. Okay, all the faculties will come together and make some rules and regulations about the school. Okay, likewise only that group of people who are elected, each and every constituent of the assembly, that means in India. Okay, constituent means it is a small portion that is recognized as a to participate in the elections. Okay, I will tell you about this one. Okay, how many constituents we have? Constituent means a person should have to participate in election at a
Sir?
particular number of population should be there. Okay, it will be defined. Yes.
Sir, I was
Yeah,
saying
somebody
there are about 563 constituencies in India.
Yeah, before the time. Now it will be more. I think I didn't get your voice actually, so that's why I didn't.
Okay,
Sorry.
sir.
Okay.
So perfectly.
Actually, after independence, okay, we have recognized nearly 552 constituents in India, along with Pakistan occupied Kashmir plus China occupied Kashmir. We have two which are not under completely our control. Okay, some part of the Jammu Kashmir is gone with the Pakistan, some part of the with the China of Jammu Kashmir. Okay, that's why it is very, very, very sensitive area comparatively other areas in India. Okay, we have a lot of border issues. From Siachen Glacier is there, some place where COK critical borders areas will be there, and as well as in Kargil. After the Kargil, if you see in map, okay, after the Kargil, that place, okay, the remaining place is occupied by Pakistan. Okay, even though it is under the control of Pakistan, not with India, we have a constituents. We have recognized some constituents in that place also, but we are not able to conduct the elections. That's it. Okay, if it is comes in future, suppose if it is coming into our India under the control of India, then we will conduct the elections as per the Indian Constitution. Okay, fine. So democratic means the people who is the most powerful entities in a democratic politics or in any government. Okay, if you think these people are electing, if their people are electing only single person as their leader, okay, that is known as monarchical type, or some word is also there, dictatorship. Anybody hear that word, dictator?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very critical, important. Okay, dictator. Any examples?
Hitler.
Dictatorship.
Sir, South
Dictatorship.
Korea, sir, North Korea, Kim Jong-un.
Not South Korea. It is a North Korea.
Yes, sir, I
Remember?
corrected myself. I was about
Yes.
to say South Korea, but I immediately recalled and it's North Korea. Also,
That
sir,
is the
Hitler,
North Korea.
whenever we think
Yes.
about dictatorship, it's Hitler that strikes the mind.
Yeah. Okay. Hitler is also, he's a army chief actually. Then, that was also one of the part. In Afghanistan, who will be the major leaders? Who will, I will tell you. This one also I will discuss. Are you there?
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Okay. Actually, my net is just cut down. Okay, fine. Please keep talking. Okay, because everything you are able to see in my screen. Okay, I can't able to see yours. If class is if it is there any network issue, class will automatically disconnect it. That's no, I don't know why, but it is happening there. Okay, keep talking with me, and also keep interacting with me. Okay, lot of syllabus we have to cover. It mostly it will covered by these discussions only. Okay, if it is possible in your preparation, if you have brothers or friends who are preparing genuinely for this examination, form a group, not more than 3 to 5. Okay, and keep discussing some critical important issues. Okay, let's distribute your work among yourselves. Okay, let's talk about democracy is very a good government. It's a good form of government. Then find out or collect the points which are regarding a good qualities of the democracy. Some of your friend will think that is democracy is not the that much good one. That means what are the problems we can face by the democracy? We have a problems also with the democracy. Okay, that's why I'm given that notes. Okay, so in your group distribute your work. That is the work division. Okay, then come together and discuss with yourselves what are the flaws, what are the consequences, what are the conclusions. That's what you have to make at the last. Okay, this is how you have to prepare your examination. See, whatever the laws made by the, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are preparing in a for the civil services, suppose you are appointed as a DM or whatever it may be, you are selected as a IAS, suppose. Okay, these IAS officers should be in the both the forms. They are the part of some extent in lawmaking also. They are the supporters, and as well as they are the part of executive also. Some people are under the judicial also will be there. There is something called judicial services. Exam is also there. Remember, okay, for the law students also it is eligible for them. Okay, judicial services also there. Civil, not only civil services in our India. Okay, judicial services also there. They are also known as bureaucrats, some extent. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
remember, everything is seems to be like a good for some people. For some people, suppose parliament is there na, for our India. Suppose it made a law. Okay, suppose this law is for some people this law is very good. Okay, but for some people it seems to like a very bad because it is disturbing their lives. Suppose it is discriminating or disturbing the regular life of a some particular community of the people in the country or particular group of the people in the country. Suppose that law is supporting for the some people. That means in a law, okay, you have to try to conclude both the pros and consequences. Okay, no law is purely 100% it is good. Okay, and no law is not a bad thing at all. Okay, you have to pick up the good ones, you have to separate the bad ones, and also you have to do some work. It is, even though it is a bad thing, you have to conclude or you have some supportive solutions with the for the problem with the facing the particular law. Okay, suppose I told you in the last newspaper session, okay, there is a governance part, some news is there. Okay, that policy is made in the sector of health. Okay, government is ready to are giving support to treat the rare diseases. Okay,
Okay, sir.
in the
Yes.
last newspaper also I sent you that the 5th May, even though I will tell you, I will show you. Okay,
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's do-
Because that
okay, it's a soft copy only. I will show you, don't worry. My WhatsApp is gone. Where I can find this, just a second, I will show you, don't worry. Documents. What is for you? Because for that purpose only I have given that thing actually for you. Okay, please remember why I am saying these things now. As a civil servant you have to think like a gray areas. Okay, that means everything is like a gray area. That means some part of white, that means good, and some part is black, that is bad thing. Then you have to support with your answer. Some parts are good and some parts are bad. Even though they are bad, you have to give some innovative solutions for that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's how you have to think like an IAS. That's in the whole thing. I think this one is August. That means government recently we have seen that news now, that is a national health sector. There is a policy made by the government. Okay, it having some issues also. See this one. Okay, that government is ready to treat the rare diseases that are faced by the people, so they are wants to support by the financially. Okay, see this one, a good start. This one, see, fund support from the government is vital continual treatment for those who are suffering with the rare diseases. Okay, they're also giving one-time treatment up to 20 lakh. Okay, if they are belong as per this policy, the national policy for rare diseases 2021. This is the initiative that is taken over by the recent times by the government. Okay, fine.
Yeah,
Are
sir.
you able to see this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you go down, the government is not ready to take over some types of diseases like LSDS. Okay, see this one. This part I can't spell it. Lysosomal storage disorders. Okay, these type of diseases are unable to, they are not ready to fund for these type of diseases. Okay, see this one. They are ready to give the financial support. The government is ready to give the financial support for the people who are suffering from the rare diseases, but not every disease. Okay, if these people are suffering any of these disorders, see this one, cystic fibrosis, okay, muscular dystrophies, okay, this LSDs, remember this LSDs, this word, okay, lysosomal storage disorders, okay, these type of diseases are not, these people who are suffering from these diseases, okay, not getting the support or financial support from the government. They are openly telling about this. Okay, some diseases are, they have removed. Okay, why this is a black area? Because government is ready to support the people who are suffering from the rare diseases, but at the same time government is not ready to support the every disease that are suffered by the people. Okay, they are only giving support for the some list of the diseases only. Okay, but not for some things, because it is very expensive. Okay, it will become very burden on the government, as well as it is occurring. Sometimes these diseases are untreatable, even though you are paying too much. Fine.
Yes, sir.
It or not? So that means the government is making a law, that is national health policy. See this one, policy for rare diseases 2021. It's a law made by the Indian government, Indian law parliament. Suppose it is already passed. Okay, but what happening? This policy having very good things basically, because the first time they are start. That's why it is the heading, a good start. That means this is the first time they are giving. They are added so many of the diseases, and also they have given a good amount, 20 lakhs up to, for the introductory treatment mechanisms. Okay, so but what happening here, there is some parts are very blackish in nature. That means they are not, some features are not good in this policy, some things are very good in the policy. So why this is very important means it having more good qualities, quantities wise, okay, and lesser bad things. That means that is disturbing the things. Okay, so it is more white in nature, in the gray. Okay, it is the mixture of black and white. It having some more white nature. Okay, if the law is having more bad quantity, bad entities, then it is known as bit blackish in nature. But whatever it may be, it is a grayish. As a civil servant, you have to conclude the things. Why government is unable to fund that type of diseases? Why these type of diseases only they have given? Because they are untreatable, even though you are treating them well, but we can't hope that survival of the particular people, okay, particular patients. And also these are very expensive comparatively. Even if you start with a 20 lakhs, it takes more than 40 lakhs. Then what will happen? The treatment will be stops between in between the treatment, okay, between the period of curing. So these type of problems will occur in the regular life. That's why government is previously decided we are not dealing with these diseases. Okay, so that's how they have concluded. So think like a both ways. Okay, think like everything is not good, and as well as everything is not completely bad. Okay, there is some good news will be there, and as well as there are some entities are very bad in the news, but you have to give your concluded answers why these are given in the darkest nature. Okay, don't take it as a black, tell it about dark. Okay, that means they are bit disturbing type. They are not good comparatively remaining. Okay, maybe that hurts some group of people also. Fine. Clear, everybody?
Yes.
Sir.
Okay, come to our topic. So if the people in a democracy are electing only single person as their leader, okay, if you read world history in French Revolution, okay, that's a very important one. Why? Because if you read that one, you will understand. From there only we will get rid of these things, what like a king's rule, and also one person became a monarch, that means dictator, and also people already then people will do would do that one rebellate against that person also, and he's also left over that part. And also there is a conclusion things there. From there only some writer given the separation of the powers. Okay, that's how the constitution, the basic democratic and republic rules are came from that particular time only. Okay, if you read in the French Revolution, you will see these things: division of powers, dictatorship or monarchy rule. Okay, some people has written in their books. Okay, they wants to be that the power is completely under the hands of a dictator. That's why he is misusing. Okay, if you separate the powers of lawmaking, judiciary as well as executive, then we can control the entire ruling body by watching over, by giving the responsibility to watch remaining to others by the particular thing. Suppose I will tell you, explain. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can stop me. I will explain you in clear. Okay, so in democratic
Okay.
politics, okay, we have two types. One is monarch. That means if people are electing only single person, that is already some extent some scholars, some school of scholars has given a name called dictatorship. Okay, if group of people are coming together to make the laws and rule the bodies, then he will known as parliamentary people or parliamentary form of government. Okay, so that means democracies are not a single government. This democracy is a one type of government. Okay, we have a different types of governments also. Okay, and also we have other types also. Okay, we have other types also. That is anything federal polity. Okay, federal polity.
Sir, we have something like parliamentary monarchy as well, right?
Yeah, parliamentary and
The
monarchy, and also
constitutional.
one. Yes. And also there's something called C. Right, this one unitary type of polity. Okay, unitary type, and this one federal polity. Okay, these two are come together. Okay, and also anything else? Any other form of government? Any other form of
Presidential form of government, sir.
yes, presidential form of government. That is fourth one, fifth one. Okay, fourth one, presidential form. Presidential form and parliamentary form are related to each other. That means controversially related to each other. Okay, and unitary polity and federal polity are controversially related to each other. Okay, fine. I will discuss about these things only today. Okay, but what happening now? What is the other type of government related to democracy, which is controversy to the democracy? And also you have this one, fifth one, republic government. Okay, republic. Okay, I will tell you about this. What is the other type of things? You know what? I told you about
So
something. Single
single party democracy.
single party democracy. Okay, fine. I will explain this one also. Sixth one. I can't able to see. Single party democracy or single body is ruling the things. Okay, single body, and also it is not elected by the people. Okay, example Syria.
We have Communist
only
Party of China, no, sir.
Yes, and also Communist Party of China.
China.
And also you know what, some countries having military rule. Pakistan, the most powerful entity in the Pakistan is the army. Okay, army having the army chief, the particular person is having the more powers than the parliament of the Pakistan. Is it or not?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
these are the different forms of the government. Okay, if you having the
think,
military rule now,
sir,
yes,
Sir,
yeah,
I think Taiwan or Myanmar, I think military has taken over the charge of the country and removed their party, I think. Which country I'm not getting, but
Myanmar.
Myanmar, I think.
Myanmar. Okay, Myanmar,
Myanmar.
which is yes, yeah. Afghanistan also, Taliban's are the high powerful
Yes,
bodies.
yes, sir.
If you see, these are the there. Okay, every country is facing their own problems. Okay, in USA also, even though it is the strongest, powerful country in the world, but it is facing still racism. Is it or not? Yeah.
The dictatorship and democracy is opposite, then why the dictatorship is coming under democratic government?
Here, the dictator is there, na? The particular leader, he is elected by the people. The people is selecting him as their own leader. Okay, after some time, this person having all the powers with him, he is becoming arbitrary because there is no person can control the dictator. So after getting his powers, after getting all the powers, he is becoming arbitrary. That means he is making whatever the decision he wants. That means he is uncontrollable, na? There is no control over him, even though he is elected by the people. But here single party system is there, na? Here single party system is there. Communist Party of China. Suppose if you think a military rule parties, okay, they're having only single party, even though it is going for the elections, the party will win, obviously, because there is no opposition. Is it or not? That means this sixth one is there, na? Single party system or single body that is ruling, or something called military rule. Okay. Yes.
Sir, in dictatorship, the dictator is elected by the people.
Yes, absolutely. That's why he is called as dictator. Okay, otherwise he will become, if it is not from the democratic, the person is called as monarch.
Then,
Okay.
sir, why does a monarch fall under the democratic type?
He is one type of monarch, na? Only single person is ruling, single person having all the powers. Is it or not? That monarch is elected by the people. Okay, that's why it is democracy means the form of government, the rulers are elected by the people. Is it or not?
But
That's the basic
sir,
definition.
monarchy,
Yes.
sir, the post is hereditary, right? If it gets transferred from the
Yes,
father to the son and so
yes,
on.
that will not comes under this one.
Okay.
Okay.
So, sir, which type of monarchy is democratic in nature then?
If people are selecting or electing that particular monarch, na, for to
Okay.
rule them, okay, for the safeguard the country.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
People are intentionally selecting. Yeah, everybody is going for the elections only. Okay, but the people, group of people is electing for a particular person. Okay, only single person, and giving him, yeah, all the powers. What is the initial thing we talk about? The king, na? King having all the powers. Who given the king? How the king is getting all these powers? How he got the all power? Yes.
Sir, it could also due to like there is no opposition.
Yeah, obviously that's why sixth one. That is
Because
sixth one. Single party system or military rule. Yes.
okay, sir.
At some extent, but in single party also group of people will be there. They will share the power with them. Okay, there is a lot of divisions are there. In some countries, they are following a constitutional monarch. This is also known as constitutional monarch, also known as dictator. Okay, only single person, if he is becoming arbitrary, then it is also known as like this. Okay, otherwise, if there is a only single party, the people who are elected by the particular group of people only na, selected. Is it or not? Single body. Sixth one, there is a Communist Party of China. There are a group of people. There is a lot of 3,000 members are there in Communist Party of China. Okay, that people are elected. 3,000 people are elected. Okay, and the power is sharing among them. Is it or not? Not for the single man, not for the single person. Okay, fine. Hello, everybody is there?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. See, in single party system, group of people are elected. Example, China is.
Sir.
Example, in sixth one is there, na? Sixth one and first democratic, first one monarch is there, na? He is a constitutional monarch. That means he is the democratically elected. Okay, the people are elected the monarch, single person only. Okay, but if you think in the sixth one, single party system, okay, in this example is China. This Communist Party of China having nearly 3,000 people, 3,000 members. Like in Rajya Sabha, how many in Lok Sabha, how many members are there? Nearly 543.
545.
545. Okay, before time, but now it is changed. Okay, there is no two nominal persons. Recently, they have under the Amendment Act of 2019. Okay, they have removed that nominated persons of the to the Lok Sabha. They have removed that thing. Okay, fine. Currently, the numbers are changed. The membership of the Lok Sabha and the strength of the Rajya Sabha is also changed. Please check your recent membership. Okay, that's your homework for the today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tomorrow I will check it. Okay, write down the homework. You have to use your internet and do it yourself. Okay, tell me tomorrow how many members are there in the Rajya Sabha, how many members are present in the Lok Sabha, and also some people asked me in the previous classes, is there any reservations for SC, ST and other communities in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Okay, yes, it is there.
Yes,
But-
sir. For STs and SCs.
Yes, okay. Is there any reservation for women?
No,
Okay,
sir.
search in the okay,
sir.
search for that.
Sir, there
And
is
tomorrow,
1/3
yes.
seats are reserved for women as well.
yes.
It's only in
Just-
Panchayat, no, sir. In
Yes,
Panchayat.
okay. Tomorrow I will check it. I am talking about only union level of parliamentary. Okay, union legislature. That is only parliament. Okay, we have three types of governments. Okay, union government, state governments, and local governments, municipalities and panchayats. Okay, I will tell you in the governance it will come. The chain of commands is also come. Okay, that's why we have three types of elections. For the elections for the union legislature, elections for the state legislature, as well as elections for the panchayats and municipalities. Okay, under 73rd and 74th Amendment Acts of Indian Constitution. It is very important. That's why it is added that local governments. These are known as local governments. Okay, fine. Tomorrow you have to do that homework. Okay, how many people are in Lok Sabha? How many people are in Rajya Sabha? Is there any reservation for the SC STs? Okay, and how many seats are reserved for the SC STs? Why? One more thing is these seats are fixed to each and every state. I have a question for you.
No, sir. It depends on population.
Yes. Okay. Just try to list out that. Okay, which state having how many seats, and which state having low number of seats, and UT is also having some MP seats. Okay, having the membership in Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha. Please make a separate list. Just tomorrow I will conclude that. Okay, just for a part of thing, but not for our core topics. Okay. Okay, come to our topics. Okay. I think your doubt is clear now.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, recently Russian President Putin has taken the that up to 2036 he'll be president now, sir.
You know what? Initially, the powers in the Russia. Okay, actually it is a USSR before, but it is split into Russia. Okay, Russia. If you see that history, Russia is split into 11 countries. USSR. You know what? What is the USSR? Union of
Yes.
Union
Soviet.
Socialist Soviet Union. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, USSR. It is divided into 11 countries. Okay, like India and Pakistan is there, na? Likewise, there is a Russia and Ukraine is there. That means small rivalry is there. Okay, I'm not telling they are completely enemies. There is small rivalries is there. Okay, due to the insufficient or inefficient leadership, it is broken down. Okay, what Putin is did, before that all the powers are present within the hands of prime minister in the Russia. Okay, but once he became a prime minister, he changed the constitution itself. And also, अरे यार, please unmute this thing. Mute कर ले. Who is that? Okay. That means some people are not listening, na? Fine. Keep listening. Each and everything is very important. That's why we are discussing. Okay. Initially, the prime minister of the Russia having all the powers. Okay, but the time period of the time span. Okay, the time period of the prime minister in the Russia is very fixed, very limited, and also no person can become prime minister second time also. In USA, only the presidentialship will be given to 2 times only. That's why Obama is get down from the seat. Okay, so what he did now, everybody is there present.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After he became the prime minister of the Russia, then he changed the constitution and he has given all the powers to the president. Okay, then he he made that prime minister is like a nominal head. Okay, then after over a period of time, okay, he get down that particular his term is expired. Then he become after that he become a president. So there is no time span of for the president. There is no expiry time period. Okay, even it is very long. Okay, he has given until the particular year I will be the president, or the term of the president has increased. Okay, and also he has given the more powers to the particular president
Sir?
only. Yes.
Sir, so we shall consider it as a monarch form of democratic government?
No, he is did by the legally. He passed the bill through the parliament. Even though we have the constitution, we can amend the constitution, right?
Yes,
Is it or
sir.
not? In India, we have the constitution is very powerful entity which is made by the people, but there is a flaw or there is a convention or there is something has written inside the constitution. In future, we can amend the constitution by using the article 368
Yes.
that is already written inside the constitution itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So that means we can amend the constitution. He just amended the constitution and he changed the powers to Russia, and it is done by publicly. Okay, he has taken the decision of the parliament itself. Simple. Okay, everybody is the leader from the each and every constituent. Okay, they are elected people itself. Okay, they are also having their parliament. Okay, the legislative body. Okay, in that they made these decisions. Okay, and Putin is the leader who's moved that particular resolution or the bill to change their constitution and changing the power, transferring the powers of the prime minister to the president and increasing the term of the president into some extent of years. I don't know. I just forgot that one. Okay, fine. Clear?
Sir. Clear, sir.
If the people are electing only single person, he will become the dictator. It's one type of monarchy, na? One type of monarchy. Okay, one is coming from hierarchical, one is coming from elections. Okay, if the people are electing group of people, it will some extent known as parliamentary form. That means they are forming some parliament, na? Some group of some institution. Okay, there is something called federal polity, that is 2 levels of polity, 2 levels of governments. The coexistence of 2 levels of government. Unitary means only single government, that is only central level government. We have a bicameral, we have a federal type of
Sir,
situation here in India.
Sir?
Yes,
sir, 2 level of government means, sir?
central government, state government.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, and if you go down, there is a presidential form of election, president form of government. Okay, and there is something called republic government. What is the republic government? The next ruler will be coming from election, not from hierarchy. Okay, that is simply known as republic. Okay, single partyship is a military rule. Okay, in Pakistan, the chief of the army having the more powers than anyone. Okay, army is not elected by the people. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Army is
Yes,
like a
sir.
selecting thing, na? It is based on merit. So that's why. So single party system. Okay, and also this particular body is ruling particular things. Okay, in Syria also there is a military rule, or single party is there. Okay, there is some party is there. If you want to stay in Syria, you have to take the membership in the particular Syria. And also, if you consider Afghanistan, there is a Taliban's domination is there. Taliban's, you remember na that name? In Afghanistan, they are very powerful than the government. Okay, that means in Pakistan, military is controlling the government. The government is elected by the people, but even though government is elected by the people, but the government is controlled by army. That means who is the most powerful? Non-electing body, na? Army is not electing body.
Yes,
Is it or
sir.
not? Army is not elected body. They are not elected by the people. It is separate entity. Okay, and also the government is there. Pakistan government is there. Existed. There is the existence of the Pakistani government that is elected by the people only. But here, army is more powerful than this particular government. Okay, in the period of Musharraf, okay, Pakistan president, he is the chief of army at that time. Okay, before that, that's how he controlled the entire government also. Okay, that's to some extent called military rule and everything. In North Korean government is something like a dictatorship. Okay, he's the dictator. Fine. Fine, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see. Is which one is better one? Elected body or non-electing body?
Elected, sir.
Elected one,
So
sir.
the elected
Sir.
one.
Elected, sir.
Okay, elected one. Okay, if there is suppose. So see, these are the some points. Okay, in I have given in the favor of first 10 points are in the favor of democracy. Next points are some critical obsessions, and next are against the democracy. Okay, suppose see, democracy is the form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. That means you are giving the importance, or the most powerful entities in a country are people. The most powerful things in the country is population, people of the particular country. Okay, they are electing the rulers and forming the government. The elected body or elected rulers are forming the government. Okay, what is this government? Government means
Or the ruling party.
okay. How they are ruling?
By making laws and regulate throughout the country.
See second point. In a democracy, the final decision making power is must rest with the elected people. If you want to make a law, then who will be the final decision makers? Lawmakers.
People,
Is it
sir.
or not? In democracy, the elected people. Okay. The final decision making power is given to the people, or to those people who are elected by the people. Even though they are the people, elected people, rulers also, somehow they are also people of India, na? They are also people of that particular country. They are also electing some of their people to become the rulers. Okay, so in democracy, the final decision making powers must be rest with the only those who are elected by the people. That means the indirectly the decision whatever made by this elected people is the decision behalf of taken by the rulers in the behalf of people, the entire people. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Is there any doubt? You can ask me. Okay, I'm going very slowly. because these are very critical. In future, you will have multiple doubts. Okay. A democracy must be based on free and fair elections where those currently in power are having the fair chance to lose it. Suppose somebody has told me that one. Which one? Free and fair elections. If there is only single party, then how can you tell that? How can you change your rulers? Even though it is democracy. Are you getting my point? If there is
Yes, sir.
only single party is
Yes, sir.
participating in the elections, or only single person is participating in the elections, then is there any chance for the people to change their leaders?
No, sir.
No chance. That means what? It is one type of monarchical type, na? People has no fair chances to change it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because if you are following a democratic polity, why it is better one? You have to give a free and fair chance for each and everybody who are allowed to participate in the elections, as well as there is a chance of lose and there is a chance of win. Okay, fine. If two parties are there or three or more parties are there, if people are trusting one particular party, they will elect them. Obviously, out of 5, one party will take the throne or the powers or to form the government. If there is only single party, then what will happen? It is not a democracy, na? Particularly, it is not a democracy. Even though it seems to be like a democracy, that means elected by the people only, but there is no chance of election. Okay, you should have in democracy, it must be based on free and fair elections. Okay, clear? Got
Yes,
this
sir.
point? What is the next point? In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. What does it means? What is talking about?
About the universal adult franchise, sir. Like
Mm,
each citizen has one vote and it has one value. Only one value.
yeah. Okay.
Irrespective of
People have a chance to elect their people, right? Elect their leaders through elections. For the elections, you need right to vote. Is it or not? Is it or not? So
Yes, sir.
you
Yes,
should
sir.
have every citizen. Remember here it is given each adult citizen. Adultery means in some country it is a 21 years. In our country it is 18 years, above 18 years. Okay, above 18 years. You should have to complete your 18 years. Okay, fine. So adultery means, remember, for India it is 18. For some countries it is 21. Okay, other countries also following 18 years also. Okay, and also see every citizen, each citizen. That means women are also citizens, na? Tell me, yeah.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
but in presidential form and MLC, sir, we'll have you to prefer, means the preference voters will be there, no, sir?
Yes. There is a proportionality representation system. Okay, there is a ballot vote will be there. Okay, they will prefer their preferential voting system. They will prefer who is he. Okay, that is not direct one value, but and if you are participating in that particular election, na, suppose who is this? What is your name?
Sir, Kaveri, sir.
Kaveri. Suppose you are participating in the elections. Suppose you want to go and vote in that for the MLC. What you will do? You have given some ballot paper. Okay, in that there is a 4 members are there. Suppose A, B, C. You will give your preference, na?
Yes, sir.
Is it on? And how much count will be there for your preference?
One only, sir.
Your vote only one number. Okay, your
Yes.
vote will be considered as a 1 unit. Okay, but in preferential system, suppose you have given number 1 first preference to B, then he will get the first vote. Okay, he will get the first one, and also remaining people is also having that preferences. Okay, but after see, they will consider all the first preferences only initially. If there is no tie, I think you know na preferential system how it works. Otherwise, I will tell you at the time of president. Okay. Or should I do? Should I tell you now? Okay. Remember one thing. Whatever the things you have given, only one ballot paper, na.
Yes, sir.
That means you have your vote value is only one. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So come to the other part. If you go for the world history, after I think so French Revolution something, I'm very weak at history, but I remember something. You know, in Russian Revolution something, after Renaissance, okay, in world history itself, there is a partition of nobles and there is a partition of commoners. Nobles has given voting power. Some people has no, in some countries, there is no voting power for the women also still now. Recently, New Zealand, I think so. Okay, one country has given the voting rights to the woman. 2015, I think so. Till now, that means in democracy, each and every person, adult person, who is crossing some age group should be treated as an adult, and that citizen should be given the voting rights. You can't separate the communal diversities. Okay, suppose in some countries only men are able to eligible for the voting, not women. Why? Because their constitution is like that only, their country rules are like that only, and some extent 2015 that country is getting voting rights. Who are crossing the 21 years of the woman, you can also vote, like that only they are saying. Okay, recently they got that women in that particular country having got their voting rights in 2015. That means until that only men are voting. Okay, that means men are having the voting rights, not every citizen having the voting rights. Okay, in democracy you have to get your own, that means voting right. Clear? Is that fine? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So these 2 points 3 and 4 are supporting the, okay, which are giving the pillars to the democracy. If you are not following these two properly, that means it's not a properly called as a democracy. It seems to be like a democracy. Okay, suppose 50 in a classroom 50% people are women, suppose girls, in 50% are boys. Only girls having the voting rights to lead to elect their leader. Is it or not? Is it not? Is it fair or not? Isn't fair? Is it or not? It's not fair now. Only half of the people having it, or some part of the, or some group of the people in the country only having the voting rights and remaining group of people are not having the voting rights. That means it's not a completely democracy. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Suppose same thing, the people has to participate in the elections. They have to give their nominations na in the same classroom. Okay, girls has the only having the, if you tell first point, girls only having the voting rights to elect their leader. Okay, and only boys can participate in the elections, can give the nominations. Okay, girls are not eligible for the nominations, means these 2 points are controversially wrong. You have to give the participation rights. That means nominations you can take, you have to take the both the nominations. That means any of the group, not only Hindus, not only Muslims, not only religious diversities. Okay, not only from the caste diversities, not only the place of your birth. Okay, no need. You can participate any part of the country. In India, it is like a, you can participate elections, in elections any part of the country. Okay, that means everybody should give the both rights to participate in the elections, and remaining people also, even though that nominated person is also, who has given the nomination, who is participating in the elections, has given his own voting right. Is it or not? Even though you are stand in this elections also, you have a, you can also go and vote. Is it or not? You are also part of citizen. Clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Yes. Respond. Please respond, because it is only comes under the discussion only. because in this we have covered lot of things under the fundamental rights also. There is also something called voting, right to vote. Okay, that right to vote is given to the citizens of India, and also NRIs also has given non-residential Indians, but not for OCIs and the PSIs. Okay, this is a part will come in the right to vote. That's why I'm discussing these points much, because these are basics of these points will connect remaining things. Okay, you know what, something come to down, there is in democracy there is a limited government or the rules. The democratic government rules within the limits of the constitutional law and citizen rights. That means what? Tell me. I have doubt about the fourth point. That means you can able to see that fourth point. Tell me about that one.
Sir, like the government must make laws within the rules of the constitution, no, sir. They can amend the constitution, but they cannot curb the rights of the citizens or cannot
Okay.
change the basic structure of the constitution.
Okay, fine. Absolutely right. In Indian constitution, there is a written in Indian constitution itself. Okay. Whatever the laws made by the government, it should not encroach the rights of the citizens, as well as it cannot disturb the basic structure of Indian constitution. That means who is giving the limitations to that government?
The constitution.
Constitution, sir.
Absolutely. Remember, constitution is controlling the government. That means who is the most powerful entity? Government, people, or constitution? Tell me, who is citizens?
The constitution.
Constitution, sir.
I have told you three words. Is constitution is powerful, or government is powerful, or
People, sir,
people are
people.
powerful? That is
People,
a better
sir.
choice. Why people are powerful?
Because based on them only all the things will happen.
Because
Their
Based
rights
on
people choose
them
their
means-
protected.
representatives, no, sir.
Because
Who
their
has the-
rights are to be given preference.
Yes, absolutely. Who has written the constitution?
People, sir.
People. That's why the constitution is already made by the people. Okay, that means constitution is powerful. Sorry, people are more powerful than constitution. Okay, the rules are written by the people in the constitution. If you think constitution is powerful, then who has written the rules and regulations? People are written the rules and regulations in the constitution. That means people are more powerful than the constitution, and constitution is written because of the powers are given to the government. It should be limited and also restricted to encroach or curb the rights of the citizens. That means constitution is, remember, this is where the constitution word is came here. Okay, till now. So constitution is a fundamental, a rule book, or fundamental or supreme law of the land, which giving the limited powers to the government and also restricting the government to safeguard the rights of the citizens. That means constitution is making the relationship between, making a good coordination between whom? Government as well as people. Are we clear?
Yes,
Why
sir.
constitution is important? Constitution is making the bridge. Constitution is giving the minimal coordination between the governments as well as between people. Okay, peoples are also restricted, isn't or not? Suppose some Kaveri, right, has given the right to speak. Okay, then what she will, right to speech is there, na? Okay, then if she is speaking, okay, right to speech is given to the particular person. Yeah. Okay, if she has given that right, that means if she can tell, if she can speak anything.
No, sir.
That means there is a limitation. It is not absolute. You can't speak rebellion words. You can't speak. You can't criticize the national entities. That means national importance things. Okay, you can't speak your national security things. Okay, na national secrets. You can't speak openly the national secrets, national missions, national budgets. Okay, and also you can't speak a word that is dishonesting the country's national flag and national animals, all these things, national anthem. Okay, are we clear? And also you couldn't, or you have no right to speak a word, some words which are making the criticizing some people or hurting some people, okay, and also creating rebellion groups. Fine.
Yes, sir.
That means recently there is a Naxal attack in Chhattisgarh, right? Isn't or not? You have the
Yes.
right to form a group. In fundamental right, you have given the right to form a group or form an association, right to form a formation of association. But which type of association?
Peaceful.
Like Naxal group, like peace group.
Maoist, sir, Maoist.
Yes, Maoist attack. Okay, it's from the Naxal group, one type of Naxal. Okay. That means which type of things are allowed in the right to formation of association, which are peace groups. Okay, not making everything bad. Okay, fine. Are you understanding the things? That means where it is written, this limitation to the citizens' rights also
In the constitution, sir.
in the constitution itself. That means what? It is a constitution itself making the limiting the rights of the citizens, limiting the powers of the citizens of India to protect the other citizens, right? To protect the other citizens. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Not from the government, from the protecting other people. Okay, killing others is a constitutionally wrong, na? You have no rights to kill others. That means the constitution should have to protect a particular person from other people also, na? Is it or not? That
Yes,
means
sir.
constitution is limiting both governments as well as citizens. But constitution is limiting the government to safeguard the rights of the citizens. That's how you can make some relationship between citizens, constitution, and government. And can you give me the other relationship between these three? I will write this one. Why? Because it's very important. Can you tell me where these three words, constitution, government, and citizens, are coming together? In which topic? Any other topic? Okay, if you know, I will tell you. You know something called citizenship?
Yes, sir.
Citizenship is like normally it is 4 types. Okay, Indian citizens, NRIs, OCIs, overseas citizens of India, and also something called PSIs. Okay, that means if you're called if you have given the Indian citizenship, that means you have a right to vote. Is it or not? That means you have given some fundamental rights. That means you have given some freedoms. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Right to vote is only for
Yes, sir.
citizens, not for foreign people who are living in India. Clear? That means some rights are absolutely given to the Indian citizens. Some rights are given to all of the people. Okay? Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
citizenship is also, suppose for a citizen called as Indian, if a person is called as Indian citizen, that means he has given voting rights. That means he has given freedoms as well as powers. The most powerful thing is voting, na, elections. Then only you can able to elect the leaders. That means beyond the government, the voting person, the voting citizen is the more powerful. The ballot is very powerful than bullets. That's a single word. Okay, citizenship is also talking about constitution as well as government as well as the people. Any other example? Fundamental rights. Is it or not? Fundamental rights. Why fundamental rights are there? Anybody? These are the freedoms
Government
and
interfere.
yes, these are the freedoms and powers to speak for themselves. Okay, and they are giving some
Sir,
freedoms and powers.
sir,
Yes.
fundamental rights are limiting the government's monopoly, na, sir?
Yeah. No. Constitution is limiting the powers.
Okay.
Okay. Constitution is safeguarding the. These are like suppose these are like a wealth. Fundamental rights is like a some part of wealth, which is subjected to, which is in the pockets of people. Okay, government is like a some extent thief, like that. Okay, constitution is always ready, tries to protect your fundamental rights, your freedoms, your wealth, okay, your properties, okay, from the government. Okay, that means
Yes,
government
sir.
cannot interfere under normal conditions into this fundamental rights. Under extreme conditions only, by the help of constitution or the parliament, okay, by the help of the articles. Some articles are written in the Indian constitution where you can cross the lines of fundamental rights. What are they? In the extreme situation means, remember, called national emergency.
Emergency, sir.
Emergency.
Okay, national emergency. Article, anybody?
So 352, 356 and
352, 356, 360,
60.
yeah? Oh,
Yes.
60, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just tomorrow also you have to clarify these things. See, Article 3, under Article 352, it is written that it is about national emergency. Okay. 356 is about presidential rule over a particular state, not complete national emergency. Okay. Only 352 is the national emergency. The 356 is a
President's rule.
state emergency or presidential rule over the state. Okay, president has taken over the government of the particular state. And 360 means
Financial emergency.
financial emergency. Still now there is no, not even news about that in India. There is no, nothing till now. Okay, about the financial emergency till now not occurred, but presidential rule is also happened in sometimes, and also national emergency happened in twice in India. Okay, during the war with Pakistan, I think so, and China once. Fine, clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That means constitution
Yes,
itself giving the rights to encroach the rights of the people, fundamental rights of the people under extreme conditions. That is already written in the
Sir.
Indian constitution. These are, yes,
Sir, under national emergency, fundamental rights can be means violated, sir.
yes, violated by the
Okay.
government. Fundamental rights
Okay.
will be not working. Something like they are under hibernation
Okay.
till the emergency overs. Okay, the
Okay.
fundamental rights cannot be reinstituted. Okay,
So
but
any other
only
situation?
any other situation
No,
is
sir.
first of all
Apart
emergency.
of apart of
Sir.
national emergency, sir.
Sir, in pandemic situations, sir.
Yes, absolutely. Recently, it's the pandemic. Is it or not? Do not come
Yes,
out
sir.
of the house. Okay, lockdown. It is encroaching your right to freedom, na? Right to freedom of what it is
Yes, sir.
called.
Yes, sir. Act,
Sir,
sir.
it
Freedom of roaming. That is something
Sir,
called. I forgot that word.
also
Okay.
there
Sir,
when
UAPA Act also violates the rights, no, sir?
Which one?
UAPA, sir. So unlawful
UAP.
preventive.
Very good question. Who is this?
Sir, Nikita.
Nikita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, most of the people don't know about this. Tell me, UAPA.
Yes, sir.
That means unlaw. Tell me, full form.
Unlawful Prevention Act, sir.
Unlawful Prevention Act. For whom this one?
Sir, like they will sir, I read this act about when the case was there, no, sir, Bhima Corgan rights.
Okay, see this one.
Like
This is
when
the some powerful tool to encroach the rights of the individual persons. Fine. See,
Yes, sir.
if you go through previous notes, that means only before slide, I forgot. Just a second. See, sometimes in democracy also, some loopholes are there, na? Even though you are existing, even though there is existence of a good constitution, but there is some loopholes will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Here we told you national emergency. It will be occur under extreme conditions, so we can't judge about this one. Okay, but if you go through second one, this one,
Presidential.
presidential rule, it is the tool, one type of tool in the hands of central government to encroach the rights of state governments. That means if the state is not listening to you, to the central government, suppose you are the central government, I am the state government, I am not supporting you in any aspect, I'm not coordinating with you properly, okay, they can use this tool for the negative manner also. Actually, what is the presidential rule? If the state government machinery, the governance fallen down in the state machinery, okay, if the state government is responsible for that, or state government cannot able to control the state law and order and everything, that means the state working machinery is completely fallen down. That means state government is completely can't able to handle the situations in their state. Then president will come and take over all the powers, legislative, judiciary, as well as executive. Mainly legislature and executive powers taken away by the president, not judiciary. These two, legislative powers and executive powers, are the particular government in the state. Okay, taken over by the whom? President, and he will impose the which one?
Sir, he is an agent of the central government, no, sir.
Obviously, but all the paramilitaries and defense are under the control of whom?
President,
itself.
sir.
Then all the state executives are suspended, and he will launch the CRPF and CS, everyone, CRPF, okay, to control the situation. Okay, so sometimes it is used for that disturb the states also. Actually, state emergency is simply if the state machinery is fallen down, the law and order is not controlled by the state government, the government is very corrupted, okay, then government will give the letter permission, ask for this presidential rule, okay, then president will put the state emergency on the particular state on behalf of the advice of council of ministers, and he will take over the powers of entire powers of the state, and he will take the, by using military and by using the para forces, he will take into the control of the particular situations in the particular state. After it becoming everything is under control, then he will return the to the central, and he will give into the powers to the particular legislature. Okay, otherwise there is a elections also sometimes occurs. Fine, clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Somebody is asked na UAPA, this is for state. If you want to encroach the rights of particular citizen, then this is the one particular tool in the hands of NIA. Okay, Unlawful Prevention Act means some people are, if treated as a terrorist, suppose, okay, sometimes it has happened, some police forces are using this
like sir,
law.
like sir, in there is a in recent NIA is active na sir, like some
Yes.
Bombay some
Yes,
budget.
they have arrested one person without a reason, without intimating the. Yes, there is a things are there in gray nature also.
Yes.
So that's why I told
Yes,
you,
sir.
na, dark issue. Okay,
Yes,
this
sir, yes.
UAPA is for individual. Okay, by using this act, you can arrest anyone in any part of India. Okay,
But
by the
sir,
NIA.
sometimes the people also, like police also use it in the wrong way, just to
Yeah,
harass people.
yeah, there is possibility.
Yes,
This
sir.
is for this is the purpose. This is for purpose of national security. Actually, terrorist
Yes,
activities
sir.
are
So
very
like
threat to
planting
India.
false evidences.
Yes, they can.
Yes.
Yeah, because you have a fundamental right. You can't arrest a person under the suspension. That means you have a suspiciously is doing something, But under that particular hunch, you can't arrest him until unless you have the evidences. Within 24 hours, the person who is arrested should be presented in front of the magistrate with the evidences or with the complaint case at least. Is it or not? These are the fundamental rights as given in India. In Indian
Yes,
Constitution.
sir. Yes, sir.
But that means nobody should be arrested without a reason. Okay, suppose that particular person A is there. I'm having some suspicious thing inside me. Okay, about him, then I can't arrest him because until unless I having the evidence, that means he is doing something wrong really. Okay, until unless it is confirmed in the material evidence or some other evidences, okay, I can't arrest him. Fine. But this UAPA, you can arrest anyone.
Sir, in UAE.
This is used upon those opposition parties, no, sir?
Sir, could you repeat the last point?
By using this Unlawful Prevention Act, this is
Okay,
something is
sir.
there. Unlawful Activity Prevention Act, I think so.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is
Yes,
the
sir.
reform is
Unlawful
there,
Activities Preventive Act.
Prevention Act. Okay, in this you can arrest anyone in any part of the India and you can take him into further interrogation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, this is the given to only particular body. Tomorrow tell me which body can use this power. I will give
Sir,
you some
police-
options: CBI,
Home Min-
NIA, CID, police. Take the 4 options.
NIA,
Sir,
sir, NIA,
CBI.
sir.
Sir, CBI.
I think
NIA.
NIA, sir.
NIA, sir.
NIA, sir.
More answers are given to NIA, but search once. Okay. And there is a small litigation also there. Okay. Suppose, who is the any person name, please?
Pradipta, sir.
Pradeep.
Yes, sir.
Okay, call it Pradeep. Suppose I am in Andhra. Okay. You want to arrest, you are from the particular department. Out of 4 options, particular department. Okay. Suppose you are from, suppose answer is NIA, most probably. Some extent it is given to sometimes the CBI also. Given me the conclusions, clauses also tomorrow. Suppose he is do research on that. Okay. Who can use this power? Okay. He wants to arrest me in Andhra. Okay. That means arresting means it is the work of police, right?
Yes, sir.
Then he is from where are you from?
Odisha.
He is, suppose NIA is works in the headquarters of Delhi only, na? So you are from
Yes,
Delhi.
sir.
Okay, you
Okay,
want to
sir.
arrest me under this act, UAPA, Unlawful Activity Prevention Act. Okay, you came to Andhra. Okay, you arrested me. That means you have taken the charge. Okay, you have taken the rights of police work. You have taken the powers of the police instead of police should arrest me, but you arrested me. That means you are working as a police also, na? You have the powers of
Yes,
as a
sir.
police. Na? That means
Yes, sir.
police will ask you, na, why you are
Yes, sir.
taking my powers to do these things. That means before arresting me, you should intimate local police department, na? At least.
Yes, sir.
Are we clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine or not? Are you able to understand the things or not? Suppose
Yes,
he is from the Delhi, from the department of NIA, National Investigation Agency. Okay, na? He thought that he has the evidence that I am doing something wrong, even though it is a suspension type. Okay, suspicious type. Okay, he directly come to arrest me, or he should have to take the permission of the police department of the state. Tell me that one.
Permission, sir.
That means he should have to take the permission of state police department, na?
Yes,
Andhra
sir.
police department, na? Everybody.
Sir, I have a clause
Yes.
for this, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, previous month, sir, I guess some states have made an act for prohibiting CBI to investigate, sir. Like they have said that CBI must take permission from the state legislature and then it should come and investigate.
Under
Only
this
4 to
this act only, na?
Yes, sir. Like only 4
I
to
think
5.
Hathras case, I think, sir.
one more thing is important. If he is from NIA, if he is from National Investigation Agency, okay, he should have to take the permission of Director General of NIA, not from the State Police Department. Okay. Basically, initially it was like this only. You have to take the permission of either legislature. For the CBI, for NIA, you have to intimate the state police head. That means DGP, Director General of Police in the particular state, to proceed for this arrest. But there is a law is came in the last year also. There is a, actually this was under the controversy. Still it is under the controversial issues only. Okay, one type of controversial issue, but it's still going on. If once it is concluded, then I will give you some clause. Okay. For CBI, it is completely restricted. Some states has completely restricted to investigate these type of issues. Okay, for the importance of their self culture. Okay, their state government is there thinking that central government is taking anybody from the state and can show as a culprit. That means as a wrong person. By yes.
So the states which have opposed this were mostly from the opposition parties of the ruling party from the central government, no, sir?
Some extent, but it is given to every state, na?
No, sir. Only like Kerala, West Bengal,
Yes,
and
Kerala, West Bengal. These, yes, some parties are there, but what happening? Na, this is like a, at the beginning this law. Okay, what these people told, na? Some people, we have to take the permission of the legislature if you want to arrest anyone in the state. That means CBI. For the CBI, they have given the restrictions. Of course, opposition party you are thinking, but initially it was while making the law. Okay, during the discussion in the Rajya Sabha, okay, they pointed this point. They pinned this point actually. Okay, they have given this point in the discussion also. Okay, whether the states should give the permission or can take the help of the CBI to investigate any case also. You know what? If something is happened in my state, okay, my state government is can't able to handle the situation. Okay, some people will protest to give the case to CBI. Is it or not?
yes, sir.
Then state government will transfer this case to the CBI. That means state government is directly asking the to investigate this case. That means here say state government is going to the CBI and asking them to investigate and help us. Sometimes, okay, some protests will be there. Okay, if it is under the national importance, CBI can go directly to investigate, but at that time you have to intimate the state governments. Some state governments has opposed this one actually. Of course, they are from opposition parties, but do not write this one in the examination. Okay, practically it was there. I know your thinking is good, but that was right actually, but happened. But you have to write in the form of constitution. Okay, the
Okay.
mindsets of constitution. Okay, so this is how happening. Situations are there. We know there is something good things also there and something bad things also. You know what? Something I forgot. Some Ravi Kumar, I think so. One IAS officer in Karnataka. You know what? What happened with him? He single-handedly taken over the sand mafia in the Karnataka, and after 1 week or 10 days, he was seen or he was appeared by hanging in his bedroom. One IAS officer. Okay, he is under the director of enforcement, I think so. He is the head at that particular department in Karnataka state. Okay. Then what happened? The case become very severe to the state government. Then the case is transferred to the central government. That means CBI. There is some issues are there. Okay. In Tamil Nadu also, there is a death of one IPS officer. You don't know what is happening, but there some issues are there. Okay, I'm not able to discuss with you, not today. One day I will discuss with you. Okay, don't worry. In the part of governance, there is something called civil services activism. There is a, you know, governance is completely about our civil services only. Most of the things about the government, working part of the government. There you will get a very interesting topics. And keep learning here. This polity will help you to understand the governance also. These are the rules and regulations. We are talking about the rules and regulations. But in governance, how the government is using these rules and regulations for the better of India. Also, some people are using this for bad manners also. Okay. I'm not how to tell this one, but it is happening sometimes. Okay. We have to discuss that one in the governance. How to tackle the corruption. How the bureaucrats can tackle this issue. Okay, in ethics also, in governance also, it will be very helpful for you. And also remember, in interview also they can ask this type of critical thinking. That particular person is told that sir, most of the states who are opposed this law basically from opposition party. Yes, of course, because they have their fear, their own fear is there. How because central government is obviously powerful now, they can encroach any time the powers of the particular state governments. They are not from the particular party who was under the ruling party of the central government. They have their own phobias. Okay, that's why they are controlling the both central government to come enter into the issues of state affairs. Clear? Everybody?
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
is sleeping?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
If you're having any doubt, you can ask. You have the right to ask. Okay, whatever it happens, we are came here to learn only. Okay, whether you are saying something wrong, it's fine. Yes, tell me.
So what are the benefits of providing the case to CBI? I mean, on what thought they give the case to CBI?
That means state political system is completely corrupted.
Yes. Yes, sir.
If suppose if state policing are under the control of whom? State government, na? Even though you are an IPS officer, you have to work under the state home department. Isn't
So
that
what
home
are the
ministry is
chances that they could not make in control to the CBI? If they could control the
once
state,
case,
state
yes,
government.
if once the state government can't do anything. Once if the case is gone to CBI, na, state government can't have any thing to control the CBI. CBI is completely under the control of central home ministry.
CBI is actually directly under the control of central government and also the Ministry of. It is
Home
also
Ministry.
under the control of Amit Shah. I don't know. I can't recall the
Home
ministry in
Ministry.
which he is. Yeah, Home Ministry.
See,
And it is
remember.
directly under the Home Ministry.
Yes.
Yes.
So state government cannot have a chance to control the CBI. Okay. Clear? Suppose if you ask some critical cases, okay, how state government can control the CBI, okay, you no need to control it. You are not initially if you stop the CBI to enter into your state affairs, na, then you can control the CBI. No need to worry about the CBI. That's why state governments are opposing, okay, to interfere the state internal state affairs to the central government. That means the central investigation agencies. Okay. See, I told you all these things now. Policing is also there, paramilitary forces are also there. Okay. And also, you know, central armored police forces, including border security force. Okay. And also, if you see NIA, CBI, CID, IB department, remember IB department, Intelligence Bureau, and there's something called RAW agency, Research and Analysis Wing, which is the intelligence agency of India who works out of the country for the India. Okay, all these things are comes under the control of Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, Union Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, only in state government we have some local rural police departments, traffic department. All these things comes under the state home ministry. Okay, fine. Somebody is asking something.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
actually, sir, whenever there are any elections in a particular state, sir, we
Yeah.
can see there are a lot of horse riding now, sir. Like the MLAs keep changing from one party to another. They will be shifted in a particular hotel, everything, no, sir. So like this actually is against the principles of democracy, no, sir. So are there
That means
any
people are,
articles?
yes, due to multi-party system, some people are shifting the from one party to another party, right?
Yes, after getting elected, sir, after they become MLAs or MPs, sir, then they get shifted to the ruling parties or to some parties for the sake of money, no, sir. So this is actually betraying the
Right.
citizens.
Yes, 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 yes.
So
They
are
are
there any
betraying the trust
articles?
of India. Yes. Okay.
Sir,
You know what?
anti-defection law is there.
Yes, anti-defection law is for the parliamentarians. So if you are behaving very wrongly, then the parliament will use that anti-defection law to throw out of the classroom. That means parliament. Okay. Anti-defection law is very important for this year also. Okay, I will tell you for your examination. We will have a detailed discussion about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You told me, na, some person is told me, okay, asking that after electing, some people are shifting from one party to another party. Yes, that is happening. You can choose one party if you are an independent candidate. If you are elected as independent candidate, you can go for it. Okay. After electing, you can, if you are transferring from one party to another party, that means you have to submit some reasons. Yes, it is against the democracy. That means basically from this Indian democracy, it is some extent violating the rules. Yes, absolutely. It is one part of dark area. I agree with you. Okay. Any part, you can think like this critically. Okay. There is no mistake of your decision. Okay. If you are thinking by the behalf of some base, that means constitution is the basic law of the country. Okay. Yeah, if you are watching in the eyes of constitution, that means if you are thinking in the behalf of the constitution, okay, constitution is for only a better future of the people only. Okay, that's why it is written by the people. Okay, so in the views of the people or in the views of citizens or in the views of constitution, also one more thing, in the views of judiciary, okay, you are absolutely right. It is betraying the trust of the people. Okay, but even though that particular person is already win the election, na? Is it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is, see, even though it is from the particular party, in ballot paper it is given the photo as well as symbol or symbol. Initially it was photos, but it is a, now it is giving symbol of the particular candidate name. You are giving the vote on the behalf of the particular person, not on the party in the power. Okay, you have the right to vote. You can see the person you can vote. Okay, now are simply tell me one thing. Elections are to elect the one person in the election or to elect the one party.
One party,
To
sir.
be frank, sir,
One person.
but nowadays we are electing the parties only, sir. We go for
No.
any.
In voting rights, it is given to the citizens only. It is the discretionary of the people only. If you want to elect, you have to elect only one person only, even though he is from any one of the party. Okay, you have the trust on the particular person, then only you have to vote. Okay, there is no nominations for the political parties. There is a nomination for the people in the political party. Is it or not? Are we clear? Of course, you are telling absolutely right, but you have to think like this only, na? Even though that person is shifting from one party to another party, he's already win the trust of some people. Okay, and also people already given instructions. You have to vote for the people who are in the participating in the elections, not for the party is participating in the elections. Okay, some places some independent candidates also winning, na? That means people are seeing the only person, not for the party behind him. Is it or not? Some places some people are independently winning the elections. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are very right. Okay, absolutely good. But basic thing is, while you are voting, na, you have to choose the person, not for the political party. That is the basic right. That is the basic discretionary thing you have to given. You have given as a citizen. Okay, na? Some places are not political parties are winning. Some places independent candidates are also winning. That means the people in the particular place are seeing the candidate, whether he is trustworthy or not. Some places, okay, due to illiteracy or due to some maybe background problems or historical issue, some people are voting the background of the party. Fine, clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm not saying that you are wrong. That is happening. Practically, it is happening. One person is shifting from one party to another party.
So yes, sir. So basically, the ruling, the party actually
Suppose
people thought that they are really good, but like I'm in no like I'm no partial to any government, but I believe they have some sort of agenda which they want it to be fulfilled, and that is what they're making it difficult for other candidates from all over the states to stand up and win the elections basically. But people are actually, as you said, that they are seeing that who is actually worthy of their votes and who not. Yes, because
suppose,
yes, sir.
Yeah, I will give you one more argument. Okay, suppose I have the political party A. I have the political party A. I am from political party A. You are from political party B, and Pradeep is from political party C. Okay, I'm not telling the political party names. Okay, just remember this. Fine. Suppose in Delhi government, first time Kejriwal is known as a CM. Suppose I'm taking the practical example. Okay, I am from BJP. Okay, you are from Aam Aadmi Party. Okay, do not reveal the names. Okay, in examination, just I'm giving the example. Okay, and there is a Pradeep is from Congress Party. Suppose, but what happening now? If you want to establish the government, you need how much percentage, how much majority?
So more than half, 50%.
So more than
50% plus
50%.
1. Yes, more than 50%. 50% plus 1. Remember that
Yes,
word.
sir.
Okay, na? Okay. If you are having more than 50%, 50% plus 1 vote, at least 1 person, okay, in the legislature, you can form your own government. You can be eligible for the form the executives. That is a government of particular thing. Suppose what happening in Delhi government, okay, out of 3 parties, there is I think so 4 or 5 parties are participated in the elections, but 3 parties are in the major having some more seats, but nobody is having the 50%, more than 50% of the strength. Then what will happen? Who is asking
Coalition,
this
sir.
question?
Coalition.
Yes, collision. Somebody is asking for the question. Na? Who is asking this question? Actually, just wait. I will stop this. Tomorrow I will continue. Okay, just wait. I will give you some more argument for this. I will stop this one here. Okay, who is that asking this question? Nikita, right?
And so one more thing is there, which actually I have noticed, like by reading the newspaper and also like examining what is happening, that the government is making sure that they have their one member in each and every department as the superior head, so that they can control each and everything, and that is
Yeah.
why it has become difficult for people who are even like honest, or people who are even doing their duty properly, and it is also making difficult for them.
Okay, fine. Okay, I think Simran, I will clarify this one. Okay, because each and every minister is from the particular ruling party only, na? Is it or not? He is the head of the. I will tell you at the time of governance, you will understand everything. Okay, don't worry about the ministries, about the cabinet ministries. Okay, how the bureaucrats works under this ministries also. Okay, for the Nikita, right? Come on, let me conclude this one. Okay, Nikita, there is allowance of formation of coalition governments, right? Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
That means, suppose some people are voted for the Aam Aadmi Party, some people are voted for the BJP party because they are trusting the BJP, suppose the candidates of the BJP party. Some people are trusting the party of Congress. Okay, what happened? Nobody is having the eligibility to form the government because nobody having the majority of more than 51%. Okay, then what happened? Okay, Aam Aadmi party is merged with the Congress party. Okay, there is a not complete mergation. Okay, there is a coalition government. They are combiningly sitting together. Okay, as a one particular body. Okay, by increasing their majority more than 51%. Okay, then these two parties combinedly have the powers to form the government, and they will distribute their portfolios between each other. Portfolios means ministries, from CM to council of all the council of ministers. These are called portfolios. They will distribute with each other. Okay, between that Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. That means BJP is out now. That means some people don't like to vote for the Congress. That's why they have voted for the Aam Aadmi Party. Na? Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
But some people don't like this Aam Aadmi Party. That's why they have more trust in the Congress Party. That's why they have voted for the Congress Party. Na? But they have combined together, and they are forming the government. Then what will happen for those people from opposite parties? It is written in the constitution. You can form the coalition government. Okay, and also coalition government is obviously very weak. It will fall down immediately. And after 14 or 19 days, okay, after Kejriwal become CM of the Delhi, after 14 or 19 days, I think so, or 22 days, he resigned due to this coalition pressure. Okay, this happened, but it's not relevant. But there is a formation of coalition government, na? Is it
Yes,
or not?
sir. Yes,
That
sir.
is also given in the constitution itself. So we can't give it because that is the extreme situation. Nobody is ready to, can have the eligibility to form the government. At that time, we have to collide with other parties. Otherwise, we have to go for elections, re-elections.
Yes, sir.
Even though, you know, Vajpayee.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Between the time of one period of time, he became a prime minister without the eligibility. But he should have to gain the confidence of the persons. Okay, more than 51%. He have to get that confidence from the opposite parties also. But he didn't get that confidence and he dropped. So sometimes it will be there. Okay, please listen very carefully. These are very critical issues. They are learning something. They are asking something very relevant for our examination. That's why I appreciate you. But time is almost over. I'm concluding this one today. But okay, fine. Some people are asking good doubts. Okay, if you're having any doubts, you can ask directly. Okay, I can cover, even though it take 2 or more classes, but it's fine. Arguments are relevant for our examination. If it is not relevant, I will tell you it is not relevant for us, like that. Okay, you can write in this mains examination also. You can give these arguments in the interview also. Fine.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubts?
Sir,
Are we
one
clear?
sir.
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
Yes,
Actually, in Karnataka elections, sir, in that actually Congress party won the majority, as if the CM was
Yes.
also the oath was also over, sir. Then again there was horse
Yes.
trading. MLAs got jumped from the Congress to BJP, and
Yes.
the next
Yes.
CM
Yes.
was changed. So
Yes.
if we have coalition, sir, then okay, it is according to the constitution. But
Yes.
like this is actually wrong, no, sir.
Yeah. That
So
will make government very unstable.
yes, sir.
Yes, if this happens.
So that's what,
Suppose
sir.
against, okay, I will give you some argument tomorrow or next class. Okay, soon. Once we are getting these topics now, I will give you about these things. Okay, I will discuss how to answer these types. Okay,
Okay,
of course
sir.
you are telling the right one. Okay, Karnataka with within few days, okay, BJP taken over the powers just by shifting the couple of
MLAs.
simple. They are just taken over nearly 20 or 12 MPs, MLAs.
Yes, sir. Same happened in Madhya
That was
Pradesh
the-
also, sir. Like that.
Sir, they are also actually following the rule which Britisher did, like divide and rule. They are also following the same agenda.
No. It is not about that one actually. Actually, it was like suppose you won. Suppose you are the winner from the election. You have to give your support to any of the ruling party. Suppose if you are an independent, you have to give the support actually. But what happening now? My party, I am from BJP. I have the majority. I have suppose 100% in the classroom. Suppose 100 people are in the classroom. Okay. 60 people are from my side. Okay, are voting for me. That means BJP will win because I am having more than 50% now. And suppose some person, I am taking Ankita. Ankita is having remaining 40% only. Okay, that means she can't win. What happened now? Ankita made some internal politics and she offered some portfolios for the some people in my 60 people of the group. And suddenly what happening? Some of at least 11 people, right? 11 people are jumped from my party to another party of Ankita. Then she can form the government because she having 51%, more than 50%, she can make the government. That means my government is immediately falling down and another government is again rising immediately without elections. After the elections, the government is formed as well as dropped. Okay, fallen and new government is arising just because of jumping between the parties. Okay, the people who are elected, they are transferring from one party to another party. It is very, very, very difficult. Okay, because of these things, okay, there is a lot of time waste is also there. There is a lot of historical reputation of bad things also happens. Okay, whatever it happening, these political leaders are only one agenda: conquer the power. That's the only theme we can see in these things, right? Is it or not?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
this can be done through non-confidence motion, no, sir?
Non-confidence motion is in the parliament, in the legislature, you have to pass it. Okay, no confidence motion will be passed when the law is made by the parliament is wrong or parliament is losing, the ruling party is losing their confidence or the trust of the entire legislature. Okay, likewise this is also happens. Okay, no confidence motion is also one type of thing. Yes, she has given some good point also. So Simran, you are telling that something. Okay, can you repeat that one, your question? That is a divide and rule policy, right? That is for the Britishers. Divide and rule policy means you have already divided the constituents, na? We have divided the constituents also. Okay, that's how we can make it. Fine, clear? She is telling, Nikita is telling about, sir, one party is really winning and they are forming the government, but immediately it is falling down due to the some people are jumping from one party to another party. Okay, then their party is becoming very strong and they are becoming the leaders. Of course, it's happening. It's a bit bad thing also. Bad thing means constitutionally they have to give some reasons also. Okay, fine. Any doubts till now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Are you clear?
No, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Even see, Simran is also not wrong. She has given some point, divide and rule policy. It will also come. Depends upon the arguments we are considering. Okay, clear? See, this is the beauty of the preparation. Nobody is wrong, nobody is right. Everybody having a valid point. Everybody having some irrelevant point. Remember, irrelevant with our examination. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay, we can take leave. If anyone having doubt, you can ask openly. Otherwise, you can free to leave. Tomorrow, I will continue this one. Please, whatever if you are written in the running notes, okay, just read once and that particular topics also read once again. We have already discussing about types of forms of governments and also we are discussing about what The constitution, about the constitution we are discussing, it is a basic law, it is the supreme law of the country. It is giving the relationship between it is governing, it is giving the instructions to the government to how to rule the people in the governance. Instructions also regarding governance also we are giving by the constitution to rule the citizens, and also it is giving the instructions to safeguard the rights of the citizens, and also it is also written inside only. You can amend the constitution by itself, the resolution passed by itself. Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. If anybody is feeling boring,
Thank you, sir.
not now.
Thank you, sir.
Arguments will be fine. Okay, cool. You can leave. Okay. Tomorrow I will continue remaining.
Okay, sir.
If anybody having doubts, you can stay. I will stay. If nobody is having any doubt, then you can leave. Okay, tomorrow don't forget your homework tomorrow.
Sir, hello.
Yes, Pradeep.
Sir, I have no doubt, sir. I am just
Yeah.
asking that, sir. As you started our the topic, like you started. So side by side, if you can follow Lakshmikant, sir, will be okay. If possible, sir. If you say
I will tell you
then
what to read.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir. Because
I
the
will
book
give you
provide.
instructions.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
See, Pradeep.
Okay, sir.
Pradeep, you can read any of the book of your own. Okay, na? But my intention is limit your sources, because
Yes,
reading 10 more books is not what's not good. Okay, I am making your notes by considering all the sources. I am reading the Lakshmikant, I am reading the NCRT, and I am reading the GD Basu. I am reading PM Bakshi also, and I am taking some points from the news also. If there are some
Okay, sir.
articles, okay,
Okay, sir.
that's why I'm making the notes. Current affairs is yours, but if any article is
Okay,
in the for the static part, I'm making the notes. So
Okay, sir.
that's
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
for you. I am doing my homework. You have to do that.
Okay, sir.
Homework.
Okay, sir.
Just do
No
research.
problem. Okay. Thank you,
Just do
sir.
research.
Good night, sir.
Okay. Good night.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Anybody? Any doubts? You can leave. You are free to leave. Class is over. Vinay, any doubt? Noise system. Okay, I'm leaving. Okay, tomorrow we will meet. Fine. Bye bye to everyone.